I'm so tired today. I really don't feel like cooking.
Same here. Let's just order something.
What are you in the mood for?
Maybe burgers and fries? Something quick and filling.
That sounds good. But I want something light too.
How about a veggie burger for you?
Yes, but make sure it has no onions.
Got it. I'll double check before placing the order.
And don't forget drinks this time. Last time we forgot.
Yeah, that was a mistake. I'll add 2 cold drinks.
Also, can you add extra napkins?
Sure, that's easy.
What about delivery instructions?
I'll select leave at the door. Okay, everything looks good. Placing the order now.
How long will it take?
It says 30 to 35 minutes.
That's not bad. I hope it arrives on time.
Me too. Let's relax while we wait.
Let's try calling the restaurant today.
Why? The app is easier.
I know, but it's good practice for real-life English.
That's true. Okay, I'll call. Hello. I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Sure. May I have your address first?
Yes, it's 25 Green Street, apartment 4B.
Thank you. What would you like to order?
1 chicken burger and 1 veggie burger.
Any special instructions?
Yes, no onions in the veggie burger.
Noted. Anything else?
2 fries and 2 cold drinks.
Would you like anything extra?
Yes, please add extra napkins.
Your total is $18. It will arrive in 35 minutes.
That sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you for your order.
Thank you. Bye.
It's been almost an hour. The food's still not arrived.
Yeah, this is getting annoying.
It said 30 minutes, not 60.
I'll call and check. Hi, I'm calling about my order. It hasn't arrived yet.
Can you please confirm your order number?
Yes, it's 4528.
Let me check. It's still out for delivery.
It was supposed to be here 20 minutes ago.
We apologize. There's a delay due to traffic.
Can you give me an updated delivery time?
It should arrive in 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, but please make sure it's not cold.
We'll do our best. Sorry again.
What did they say?
It's coming soon, hopefully. Finally, it's here.
Great. I'm starving. Let's open it quickly.
Wait, check everything first.
This doesn't look right.
What's wrong?
This is a beef burger. I ordered a veggie burger.
That's a big mistake.
I can't eat this.
I'll call them right now. Hi, I received the wrong item in my order.
We're very sorry. What did you receive?
A beef burger instead of a veggie burger.
We apologize for the error.
Can you send the correct one?
Yes, we will send it immediately.
Please tell them to hurry.
Let's check everything carefully this time.
Good idea.
Burger, fries. Wait, where are the drinks?
They're not here.
Seriously? Again?
This is frustrating.
We need to call them again.
I will. Hi, some items are missing from my order.
What seems to be missing?
The drinks are not included.
We're very sorry about that.
Can you send them quickly?
Yes, we'll send them right away.
I can't believe this is happening again.
It's too many mistakes for one order. I tried to ignore it at first. But this is not okay.
Do you think we should call them?
I think we should. It's the only way to fix this.
I don't like complaining though. It feels uncomfortable.
I get that, but this isn't just complaining. It's about solving a problem.
That's true. And we paid for this food.
Exactly. We have the right to receive what we ordered.
What should we say? I don't want to sound rude.
We'll stay polite. Just explain the situation clearly.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, I'm calling them now. Hello, I'm calling about my recent order. I've had several issues with it.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what happened?
Sure, first the delivery was very late. It arrived almost an hour after the expected time.
We sincerely apologize for the delay.
Second, one of the items was incorrect. I ordered a veggie burger, but I received a beef burger.
I understand. That must have been frustrating.
Yes, and that's not all. Some items were also missing from the order.
I'm really sorry about that.
I appreciate your apology, but this has been quite inconvenient.
We completely understand your concern.
I'd like this issue to be resolved properly.
Of course. What would you like us to do?
I would prefer either a full replacement of the order or a refund.
We can resend the full order immediately.
That would be good. But I also expect everything to be correct this time.
Absolutely. We will double-check everything before sending it.
And could you please make it a priority? We've already been waiting a long time.
Yes, we will mark it as urgent.
Important sentences for practice. I'd like to place an order for delivery.
I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Can you make it without onions, please?
Can you make it without onions, please?
Please leave it at the door.
Please leave it at the door.
Can you confirm my order, please?
Can you confirm my order, please?
My order hasn't arrived yet.
My order hasn't arrived yet.
It was supposed to be here 20 minutes ago.
It was supposed to be here 20 minutes ago.
I ordered a veggie burger, but I got a beef burger.
I ordered a veggie burger, but I got a beef burger.
The drinks are not included.
The drinks are not included.
The order was late and incomplete.
The order was late and incomplete.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.